How are you? How are you?
I am fine. I am fine.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student. I am a student.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English.
Do you like tea? Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. No, I don't like coffee.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading. My hobby is reading.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
No, I am free. No, I am free.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice.
Can you read English? Can you read English?
Yes, I can read English. Yes, I can read English.
Can you write English? Can you write English?
Yes, I can write English. Yes, I can write English.